Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. VLOOKUP involving multiple workbooks. In this example, we will look at data being in another sheet and we want to retrieve into a different sheet. When you go to the View tab, you can see that I have two windows open, Search and Purchase. To do VLOOKUP on multiple workbooks at the same time, it is better to have them tiled and have a look at both of them at once. We want to bring these data, name, units and total, from the purchase sheet where the data is. The easiest way is to go to View tab and click on Arrange All and select Tiled. Now we can see both the workbooks. We have the data in the workbook on the left and the answers in the workbook on the right. Let's retrieve the name. By clicking on Name, we'll go to Formulas tab and select Insert Function, click on VLOOKUP and press OK. This will bring us the arguments box. Let us put it in a place where we can see all the data. The lookup value is this particular cell, E6, and the table array is the data to the left on this sheet from A4 to F23. Let us click and drag to select all of the data. Again, we need to remember that the data that we are looking in lookup value should be in the first column in the table array. Then we come to the column index number. The name is in column number 2. We type in 2 here, and then in the range we type false. Notice in the table array we have the name of the file, name of the sheet, and then the range. Pressing on OK will give us the name of customer ID 102. Let us do this again. Click on VLOOKUP, press OK. The lookup value is E6 here. Click on it, and the table array is in this sheet. Select all of the data. Then in the column index, we are trying to retrieve the units, so it is 4, and the range lookup is false, since we want exact match. We got the number of units. Even if we close the other sheet, we can still retrieve the data. Let us see it in an example. Let us close the sheet, save it, and then if you look in the formula bar, you can see the exact address of the file, and then if I change the customer ID, even though the file is closed, it still will retrieve the data from that particular sheet. This is VLOOKUP using multiple workbooks. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.